Okay. Hello guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Woo! It's 2020 people. Okay, today I am doing in my country we call it packing gel. It's just like I'm gonna pack my hair up and make a fake ponytail. And I'm going to be using these are my old this is my old weave, so I'm gonna be using it to make my fake ponytail. So what I did was I washed my hair and I blow dried it. I'm gonna blow dry it again so I stretch it. But right now I'm going to put down the braids that I did on my hair, and I'm gonna come back and we'll start. Now I'm going to braid it. I divided it in parts, so now I'm gonna braid it. Okay, so I braided it and I put it round as a bun. So now I'm going to start using this, my weave on. So I'm gonna put it around the bun.
Yeah. Baby fresh on the beat and it's killing them all, of course. It's killing them all, of course. Make we scatter this place tonight. Dance and sweat till like sin a fight.
Okay, here it is. Done. So guys, like, share, subscribe. Bye.